Alright, what's up guys? So gotta go ahead and take off the cylinder 1 and cylinder 3 spark plug coil packs. Corbin told me that there's a misfire on cylinder 1, so he told me that in order for me to diagnose the issue, he wants me to switch out the coil packs from cylinder 1 to cylinder 3 and then switch out from cylinder 3 to cylinder 1. So that's what I'm gonna be doing right now. I already got the intake air duct taken off, and then it's gonna be just two. It's just on this side right here, so it's easier to work with. Then 2 and 4 is on that side. So in case you guys are wondering, 2 and 4, 1, 3, 2, 4. That's just how I looked at it from all the diagrams I looked at. So just that's what I'm going to be doing. And then got to do a quick. I don't have anything to test the voltage, so I have to run to the store for that. But after I get it all switched out, then I am going to do a data log again for a cruise log for Corbin again, and then hopefully everything turns out good. But the side note is that I've ordered brand new coil packs from Ignition Performance. They are the same company from Okada Plasma. And then also I got NGK spark plugs coming in tomorrow, just in case if I have to switch them out. So other than that, that's just a quick video, rundown what's going on with the car with the retune. All right, so I got this first one disconnected. Make sure you remove this metal ring. It sits on top. Oh no, I just dropped it, sorry. But it sits on top. I apologize for the video, guys. Stupid me. That was a dumb move right there. I'm gonna go back down and get it, but it sits just like this one. So this is for cylinder 3. You guys can see how this sits right here. So I got this off here. I want to show you guys what it looks like. I don't see any oil or anything that would, I don't really see anything that's causing any issues with spark or anything. I can go back and I can go down there and pick that up. Apologize for the video, guys. Alright, got everything put back together. Switched out the cylinder 1 coil pack to the cylinder 3, and then cylinder 3 to cylinder 1. So I'm gonna start it up, see how everything goes, and then do a cruise log for Corbin. Alright, moment of truth. Actually going to data log right now. So this is what I'm going to be monitoring the most, would be the roughness, cylinder 1. For some reason this thing goes up to 4 and then shoots back down to 0. What I've been noticing is that when I like do a couple, I don't want to say, like, it's not wide open throttle, but when I floor it, so we're going to try and figure out if cylinder 1 is going to have any more misfires. If that's the case, like I said, I do have ignition performance coil packs coming in, NGK spark plugs are coming in, and so